front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode, or schedule our dark mode. Change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change motion smoothness, enable or disable eye comfort shield, between adaptive and custom, change screen mode between vivid and natural, change font size, enable or disable bold font, change font style, screen zoom, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable edge panels, manage navigation bar, between buttons, swipe gestures, button order, and button center position. Then we've got touch sensitivity and screensaver. We can set between colors, photo frame, photo table, and photo. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.